Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making a gluten-free pasta salad. This is such a delicious recipe and very convenient in these warmer days. So, let's start.
I use this brand of gluten-free pasta. You can use whatever brand you have available. First thing we're gonna do is boil the pasta in salted water. Grab the cherry tomatoes and cut them in quarters. If you don't have a sharp knife, you can also use a serrated knife. That one works great as well. Add them to a big bowl. Take a garlic clove and grate it over the tomatoes. Use more if you are a garlic fan. Grate the zest of a lemon. And squeeze out the juice of one whole lemon. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Grate some freshly ground black pepper and sea salt. Stir everything together and set aside. Drain the pasta and rinse it with cold water. I feel like some sort of water bender from Avatar right now. I started to grow some herbs in my garden. In the back I planted some thyme seeds and I have a lot of basil, so grab some basil leaves and cut them finely. Add the basil to the mixture. I just had to have a smell because it smelled so good. Add the drained pasta and mix everything together. There's some mozzarella over the top and mix once again. Eat it right away or store in the fridge for later use.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I see you in the next one.